Hello! My name is Jane, and I'm excited to take you on a journey through my world, all in English. Let's get started with some basic things about me. I live in a cozy town surrounded by nature. Every morning, I wake up to the sound of birds singing outside my window. It's a peaceful way to start the day. I live with my family, which includes my parents, my brother, and our pet dog, Max. Max is a playful golden retriever who loves to run around in our backyard. After getting up, I usually go for a run in the park nearby. Running helps me clear my mind and get ready for the day. The park is beautiful, with lots of trees, flowers, and a small lake. Sometimes, I see other people jogging or walking their dogs. It's nice to greet them with a simple good morning or hello as we pass by each other. For breakfast, I enjoy simple meals like toast with jam or cereal with milk. I also make myself a cup of tea. I like trying different flavors of tea, but my favorite is green tea. It's refreshing and gives me a little energy boost. I'm a student, so most of my days are spent at school. I like learning new things, especially languages. English is one of my favorite subjects. I find it fascinating how learning a new language can open up so many opportunities to connect with people from all over the world. In my free time, I love reading books. I believe that books are windows to different worlds. They can take you on adventures without ever leaving your room. My favorite genre is fantasy because I enjoy stories that are full of imagination and magic. On weekends, I like to spend time with my friends. We often go to the cinema to watch movies or to the mall for some shopping. Sometimes, we just hang out at each other's houses, playing games or baking cookies. It's fun to share stories and laugh together. I also have a hobby of painting. I'm not a professional, but I enjoy expressing myself through colors and shapes. Painting is relaxing, and it allows me to be creative in my own way. In the evenings, after dinner with my family, I usually spend some time studying or finishing homework. Before going to bed, I like to write in my journal. Writing helps me reflect on my day and organize my thoughts. It's a good habit that I've been keeping for years. And that's a little glimpse into my world. Through sharing my story in English, I hope to inspire others to share theirs. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So, let's keep learning and exploring together.
Interesting vocabulary from the story.
1. Cozy. Something that is very comfortable and warm. Example, my room is cozy with a small fireplace. 2. Nature. All the plants, animals, and things outside made by the earth, not people. Example, we love camping in nature. 3. Peaceful. Quiet and calm without any worry. Example, the morning is so peaceful. 4. Playful. Full of fun and liking to play. Example, the playful puppy loves his toys. 5. Refreshing. Something that makes you feel fresh and energetic again. Example, a cold drink on a hot day is refreshing. 6. Fantasy, a type of story about imaginary worlds and magical creatures. Example, Harry Potter is a fantasy book. 7. Creative, using imagination to make something new. Example, painting lets me be creative. 8. Reflect, to think carefully and deeply about something. Example, I reflect on my day every evening.
Speaking practice. Repeat twice after Jane.
I live in a cozy town surrounded by nature. I wake up to the sound of birds. I wake up to the sound of birds. The park has trees, flowers, and a lake. I enjoy toast with jam for breakfast. I enjoy toast with jam for breakfast. I like learning new languages. I like learning new languages. Playing games or baking cookies is fun. Playing games or baking cookies is fun. I make myself a cup of tea. I make myself a cup of tea. I love reading books in my free time. I love reading books in my free time. I'm a student, so most days I'm at school. I'm a student, so most days I'm at school. Let's keep learning and exploring. Let's keep learning and exploring. I spend some time studying in the evening. I spend some time studying in the evening.
Answers and questions.
Choose the correct form of the verb. Every morning I blank wake up to the sound of birds. What is the plural form of leaf as used in the park has lots of trees and blank? Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. I enjoy stories that are full of imagination and blank, magic.